salutations. I'm Cheri Redgrave, and this is Two Cooks, Four Allergies. As your food allergy avenger, I want to tell you the story behind tomato pie. Having no idea what I was looking for, I was strolling through the meat section of my grocery store. Then I saw it, a lamb roast on sale. I couldn't remember the last time I'd had roasted lamb. It had been at least 10 years. This led to my over-the-top Greek feast. Besides the lamb, which turned out wonderfully in the slow cooker, I created a Greek salad, tzatziki, roasted potato wedges, a date-filled pinwheel, and a tomato pie. All gluten, dairy, and egg-free, of course. I was intrigued with tomato pie. It was something I had never even heard of. To my delight and surprise, this dish was the high point of the meal. You could taste every level of flavor, the crust, the mustard, the pesto, and of course, the tomatoes. I used both yellow and red heirloom tomatoes. It was even good cold. This is a great side dish, or you could serve it as a light brunch meal with a salad. Try this recipe. It's easy and quick to put together.